If you updated to the iOS 26 beta and now your iPhone feels buggy, hot, or unstable, don't worry. You can go back to the last official version, which for most users is iOS 18, but you'll need to follow a few careful steps. Let's fix it step by step. Before you start though, here's an important note. This process will erase everything on your phone, so back up your data first. You can't restore a backup made on iOS 26 to iOS 18, so do not back up your iPhone on the iOS 26 at any cost. If you have already done that, then sadly your data will be lost. But if you have backed up your data on iOS 18 and haven't done any backups on iOS 26, then here's the step-by-step tutorial to downgrade. Part 1. Set up your PC. For this process to work, you'll need a PC, Mac or laptop. That part is mandatory, so you usually use the iTunes or Finder app to downgrade your iPhone, which is available on MacBook. But if you use a Windows device, you will need to install iTunes. Go to the Microsoft Store on your PC. You can find it in the search bar. Once you found and open the Microsoft Store, search for the iTunes. Click on it and install the app. Wait till it gets installed. After that, set this up on your PC. Part 2. Put your iPhone in recovery mode. Plug your iPhone into your computer using a Lightning cable or Type-C cable. The iPhone needs to be connected for this. Now, force restart your iPhone. To do that, you will need to press the volume up, then the volume down button, and quickly after this, hold the side button until you see the recovery screen. Don't release the side button until you see the recovery screen. Part 3. Restore iOS 18. Keep the iTunes app opened in your computer. When your iPhone gets a recovery mode, you will see a pop-up. It will say, there is a problem with the iPhone so that it needs to be updated or restored. Click on the restore option. Now you'll get a message saying the latest iOS 18.5 will be restored to your iPhone and it will erase all your data. Click on restore here and confirm your choice. Now your computer will prepare the downgrade. You'll see a few downgrade prompts on it like this. And eventually your iPhone will go back to iOS 18. But remember, this process will work now, but when iOS 26 officially releases on your iPhone, you'll not be able to follow this process. So anyway, if this helped you out to downgrade from iOS 26 beta back to iOS 18, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more iOS guides and beta fix tutorials.